We received details about a puppy named Marley. He was merely a few months old when he was abandoned between two plastic bags on the street. The individual who discovered him got an unidentified message about the puppy's condition and instantly went to save him. When the rescuer brought Marley to the veterinary surgeon, they were surprised to find that he had over 1,000 fleas on his body. The doctor quickly got to work treating Marley for the fleas, providing him with much-needed bathing. And checking him for any other health issues. In spite of all the discomfort he had suffered, Marley remained a cheerful and playful puppy. Wagging his tail and licking the hands of everyone who approached him. The rescuer, who was already a dog enthusiast, fell in love with Marley and decided to adopt him. They provided him with a form and a comfortable bed to sleep in. Numerous toys to play with. And all the love and attention he could desire. Marley quickly adapted to his new home and became the focus of attention for everyone who encountered him. Marley grew up to be a robust and healthy dog. He always brimming with energy and a playful attitude that could illuminate any room. Marley enjoyed going for long walks and playing in the park with his new family. And he was still excited to explore new areas. Every place he went, people would pause to pet him and inquire about his story. Marley's rescuer was always pleased to recount the narrative of how they found him on the street, and gave him a fresh lease on life. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe to see more videos. Goodbye and see you again.